Let us start exercise 1.4, but before starting this exercise 1.4, let us repeat one rule. What is called terminating decimal expansion and what is called non-terminating decimal expansion? See, terminating, in 9th standard you have learned. In our common language, we say terminating means countable and non-terminating means recurring, means that is not countable. Here, if a fraction is given, suppose the fraction is 3/2. See the fraction properly. Fraction is given 3/2. Suppose. That means focus on your denominator. If denominator is 2 or denominator is 5 or denominator is 2 and 5 both, then 2 or 5 or 2 and 5 both, then it will convert into decimal, because you can multiply 2 by 5, this will be 10. You can multiply it by 2, 5 2s will be 10, and here already given. So if in the denominator there is 10 or 100 or 1000, then it will convert into decimal expansion. We use this rule in this exercise 1.4. See, question number 1. Without actually performing long division, state whether the following rational numbers will have a terminating decimal expansion or a non-terminating decimal expansion. First question is 13 upon 3125. Have you remembered the denominator 3125? 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125. 125 5s are 625. 625 5s are 3125. Okay? So, factorize this 3125 if you don't remember and find out that this is 5 raised to 5. Now see, denominator is 5 raised to 5. I told you that if denominator is 2 or 5 or 2 and 5 both, then it is terminating. So here denominator is 5 raised to 5, so it is a terminating decimal expansion. In your question number 1, it is given up to this. This is your answer. But in question number 2, you have to convert this into decimal. So we combinedly join this question number 1 and 2 and try to finish. 13 upon 5 raised to 5. If you want to convert into decimal expansion, then you have to multiply it by 2 raised to 5 upon 2 raised to 5. Remember, we need 2 and 5 both in the denominator. Here the power is 5, so multiplied by power 5. So this is 13, 2 raised to 5 is 32 upon, this is 5 and 2, the whole raised to 5. What is called 32? 13s are 4, 10 and 6. 4, 1, 6 upon 10 raised to 5 means 1 lakh. That is 4, 1, 6, 3 term, 4, 5 and then means it can convert into decimal expansion. Every terminating decimal expansion can convert into decimal terms. Okay, this is up to question number 1. Remaining is question number 2. Now question 2. Question number 2 is 17 upon 8. Again see, 8 means what? 2 cube. So in the denominator there is 2. So it is a terminating decimal expansion. Okay. Now if you want to convert into decimal expansion, multiplied by 5 cube upon 5 cube. We need 2 and 5 both. 2 is already there. So multiplied by 5, power keep remains same. 5 cube is 125 upon 2 5s are 10 cube. Combinedly I write it. 2 raised to 3 into 5 raised to 3, that is 2 into 5 the whole raised to 3. 2 into 5 the whole raised to 3, 2 5s are 10 raised to 3. 125 17s are 1250 and 1950 and 1950 plus 100 2050 and 35. Okay, so multiply this and divide it by 1000. You will get 125 17s are 1250 2125, so 2.125. Third number, 64 upon 455. See here, try to divide this 455. You know that 455 is divisible by 5. So 5 into 91. 91 is the factor. If you factorize 91, 7 13s are. Now see, in the denominator there is no 2, not only 5. 5 is there, but with 7 and 13. So it is non-terminating. You cannot convert into decimal expansion. Okay. Now number 4. Number 4, 15 upon 1600. 15 upon 1600. See, 15 upon 1600 I can divide like this. 16 into 100. You know that 16 means what? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 2 raised to 4. 100 means 25 4s are well known. 15 upon 2 raised to 4 into 25 means 5 square and 4 means 2 square. Now see, 2 and 2 base is common, same. So there is addition of power, 4 plus 2 6 into 5 square. Now see, I need 2 and 5 both in the denominator that we had. Now 6 and power are different. So you have to make the same power. 5 raised to 2 multiplied by 5 raised to 4 to make it same. So 15 into 5 raised to 4 means 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125, 125 5s are 625 upon 2 raised to 6 into 4 plus 2, 5 raised to 6. Now 625 15s are 6250. That is 9375 upon, combinedly it is 10 raised to 6. So you can write 9375, 4 digit, 5, 6 and then 0. So it is terminating decimal expansion. Okay.